Welcome to the world of Intel. In this episode, we'll be taking a deep dive into their latest achievements in the semiconductor industry, Intel's 18A, 1.8 nanometers class, and Intel 20A, 2 nanometers class, fabrication processes. N Intel, the leader in computer technology, has released exciting news of their new fabrication processes, recently announced by Wang Rui, Intel China's president and chairman. According to Rui, the completed development of Intel's 18A and 20A fabrication processes signifies a revolution in computer technology. These process nodes will allow for increased speed, precision and efficiency in transistor manufacturing, and Intel promises that both processes will not only be used for the company's own products, but also for products made for Intel's foundry services, IFS, customers. And the Intel 20A fabrication process is set to use something called gate-all-around ribbon FET transistors, ultimately allowing for the delivery of backside power in the manufacturing process. This technology is set to leapfrog the competition by offering something no other technology has been able to do before. Furthermore, the Intel 20A fabrication process is said to be ready for commercial use in the first half of 2024. And the Intel 18A fabrication process is an even more impressive development. The refinements such as shrinkage in transistor size, better ribbon FET and power via technology, backed up by ASML's TwinScan EXE scanners with 0.55 numerical aperture, optics, make this an exciting development to watch. What's more, Intel's 1.8 nanometers class manufacturing technology is expecting to be introduced in the second half of 2024, instead of 2025 as initially planned, making it the most advanced node in the industry as it enters high-volume manufacturing, HVM. And so, all eyes have been on Intel as they have been working vigorously to develop these new fabrication processes. And it looks like they have come out with a real winner. Never before have we seen such a revolutionary development in semiconductor technology, which was suggested by their founder director's words. We have an active pipeline of engagements with 7 out of the 10 largest foundry customers coupled with consistent pipeline growth. And the Intel 18A and 20A fabrication processes are set to revolutionize the semiconductor industry, with Intel leading the way. Be sure to stay updated on all future developments in the Intel world to make sure that you can reap the benefit of so much new and improved technology.